Have you ever noticed how some people can walk into a room, say just a few things, and suddenly everyone is laughing, enjoying the conversation, and wanting to stay around them? It's not because they memorize jokes. In fact, the funniest people you meet rarely tell prepared jokes at all. Their humor comes from how they observe things, how they respond, and how they play with situations in real time. And the good news is, humor is not a talent you're born with. It's a skill you can learn. Let's break down the art of humor in the most practical way possible. First thing, humor usually comes from exaggeration. Take a normal situation and stretch it slightly beyond reality. For example, imagine your friend arrives 10 minutes late. Most people say something basic like, "Bro, you're late." But someone with a sense of humor might say, "Wow, I thought you retired from friendship." Or, "I was about to start charging rent for waiting here." The situation is simple, but exaggeration makes it playful. Second thing, humor often comes from unexpected responses. People expect predictable answers. The moment you give an answer they didn't expect, it creates a small moment of surprise, and surprise often turns into laughter. For example, imagine someone asks you, "Why are you so quiet today?" A normal answer would be, "Just tired." But a playful answer could be, "I'm saving my words for an emergency." It's not a joke. It's just a twist on a normal response. Third thing, learn to laugh at small inconveniences. People with good humor don't panic over small awkward moments. They turn them into light moments instead. Imagine you trip slightly while walking. Most people immediately feel embarrassed and try to act like nothing happened. But someone with humor might just say, "Don't worry, I meant to do that. Just testing gravity." That small comment immediately removes tension, and people remember that kind of confidence. Fourth, use playful observations. Good humor often comes from noticing small details others ignore. Imagine you're with a friend who orders the most complicated coffee ever. Instead of saying nothing, you might say, "Bro, at this point, you're not ordering coffee. You're negotiating a peace treaty." You're simply commenting on the situation in a playful way. And that's where most natural humor comes from observation. Now here's something very important. Delivery matters more than the line itself. If you rush your words or try too hard to be funny, the humor disappears. But if you say something calmly, with relaxed timing, it feels effortless. Think of humor like tossing a small ball into a conversation, not throwing a brick. Short, light, natural. And here's the final truth about humor. The funniest people are not the ones constantly trying to make everyone laugh. They're simply relaxed enough to play with situations. They exaggerate small things. They give unexpected responses. They turn awkward moments into light ones. And they notice funny details most people ignore. Once you start practicing these small habits in everyday conversations, with your friends, co-workers, or even strangers, your humor naturally improves. Not because you're trying harder, but because you're seeing situations differently. And when you start seeing the humor in everyday moments, people start enjoying being around you more. Because humor isn't about jokes, it's about perspective. And once you master that, conversations become a lot more fun. Do subscribe if this was helpful. We're aiming 1,000 likes on this video. Click here as this video shows 5 things a woman notice in a man. Click here. I'll see you there.